Didn't videotape this. I did all of this here, a whole 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and I didn't videotape. You need to. I even did all this work because I know Leanne just entered the class and needed to see this. You need to find the least common denominator here of 8. And if you had 1/4 and 1/2, the least common denominator is 8. And then times 8, everything is timed by 8 except the stuff in the parentheses. You leave that sheltered. If you times 8, you cross cancel, you get 2. 2 times -1 is -2. And then you solve the equation, you get 1/10. It's one solution, okay? And here we did point slope, infinite solution because the slope and the y-intercept are the same because you need to explain. Okay, I'm going to look for that on Monday. Make sure you guys do that. No solution because the slopes are the same, slope of 15 are the same, and the y-intercept of 10 and 0 are different. You need to solve this. Make zeros and divide like that. Okay, D. Oh gosh, there's not enough time. This is infinite again because slope's the same and the y-intercept's the same. And then this, you use substitution, okay, because they want you to explain which one you use, elimination or substitution. So you use substitution because one of the equation is in slope-intercept form. Yes, awesome. And then you find that these don't equal, so it's no solution because the lines will be parallel if you graph. Okay, and then here one solution, you'll use elimination because both these are called standard form. Right here, these are standard form. Use the word standard form. It's very important you know the vocabulary words. Elimination, you use elimination because both are in standard form. Use elimination, one solution at. Okay? Substitution, because this one is in slope-intercept form. Okay? And you get one solution. Make sure you know how to use fractions. Put it back in to x here. And your least common denominator is 2. Multiply these by 2. You get -6, -9. I expect you to know how to add and subtract fractions. Substitution, because this one is in slope-intercept. Substitution is when you copy this whole thing here, exception of the y. Okay, you copy the whole thing, exception of the y. So 16, you got 16x minus 2. In place of this y, you put parentheses. You're going to substitute what's here, there, and then you solve like you normally would. That's substitution that you use when it's slope-intercept form. Elimination, because they're both in standard form. Notice they're both in standard form. Okay, you get no solution, so the lines will be parallel or the graph will never meet, whichever way. Elimination, substitution, elimination for this one because they're both in standard form. Substitution in this one because they're both in, one of them is in, if one of them is in slope-intercept. Okay, substitution is this. Let's save one of them. Y equals 2x plus 2. You substitute this part with this in there. 2x plus 2 equals -3x minus 3, additive inverse. Get that equal to 0, add 3x, add 3x. Continue to solve this. 5x minus 2 equals to -3. Add 2, minus 2. You get 5x equals to -5. X is 1. -1. Take that, put it in there. The graph will meet at 1 and Put -1 there, you get -2 plus 2. The graph will meet at 1, 0. One solution. So instead of using the graph will meet, you'd say one solution at. Okay? Make sure you do elimination, substitution, and here you use elimination. Elimination, substitution, because the slope intercept. Okay, and then I did all this. No, we did it in class, I think, right? I hope, yes.